Good evening from Singapore. I'm now at one of the more famous neighborhood mall, the Causeway Point. Look at it, so many people going in and out every single day. And let's explore this neighborhood mall now. It's weekday evening about 6 p.m. Some pieces here. The place is bigger than I thought. I'm now at level 4 of the Causeway Point. Food lovers are in for a treat because there's a Food Republic food court here. And right here is a Western cuisine. There's actually quite a number of stores here. The place is bigger than I thought. It's definitely much bigger than the food court at the level 7. Pepper kitchen. Some pieces here. Any customer right now? Pizza J. Xiangjiang Hunan cuisine. It's quite a privacy and nice dining. Good evening from Singapore. I'm now at one of the more famous neighborhood mall, the Causeway Point. Look at it, so many people going in and out every single day. And let's explore this neighborhood mall now. It's weekday evening about 6 p.m. I'm just a few steps inside the mall and I see so many people right now. This is a kopitiam at the highest floor of Causeway Point, level 7. Now there's a wet playground next to the food court here for the kids. Let's check out. Wow. I'm now at level 4 of the Causeway Point. Food lovers are in for a treat because there's a Food Republic food court here. And right here is a Western cuisine. There's actually quite a number of stores here. Level 5 of Causeway Point, there's a Tioheng KTV studio, Wild Language Center, as well as 101 Hair Consultants. And not only that, there's WTS Travel Agency and Raffles Medical Clinic, and some restaurants in front. I see Sushi Roll, Bali Thai Crystal Chick, and where's more? Shabu. Crystal Chick. Xiangjiang Hunan cuisine. It's quite a privacy and nice dining experience here. And level 4 now, there are a lot of the hair care shops like the Oriental Hair Solutions, Jinki. And not only that, they have the Cots and some skincare SL aesthetic clinic over here, and there's a Jinki. Seahorse mattress. Some nice flowers here. New salon. Wow, there's a Pop Mart robot shop here. Challenger K-Skin. $60, 35 minutes. Minimize your pore with our pore refining treatment. If you love branded stuff, come here. There's a shop selling the branded stuff. $950 LV 1850. And the shop name is Lux Bags, 100% genuine brand bags. Lão Hồ Thăng and one shop in some place. Dazong Sushi Popular Bookstore. TV Palace. Wow, this seems like the competitors of Toys R Us. This is level 2. New Star. Oh, we are back. Ogawa. The Swenson looks nice, the restaurant. You look at the decorations. I think it's very unique because other outlets I've been to, I've never seen this decoration. Like a semi-lantern kind of stuff. Next is the Arbori. Tokyo Shukodo. Best of both Western and Asian cuisine in one place. Curry chicken. Order one item, get second free. Wow, the Ocean downstairs. I believe there's a food section at basement 1, so stay tuned and explore it in a while. Next with the Vivian and Xia, there's some nice luggages and bags. Level 1. Gohak Jewelry, Poheng Chipli, Sephora Cosmetic, SK Jewelry. The Christmas tree, check the rest from Japan lens cut. But let's take a look at this. This reminds me of the Fountain of Wealth at Suntec City. There's a similar setup, but over there, there are fountain and spraying the water. Wow, the ocean downstairs. $10. That sounds like a pretty nice view. All this. Subscribe and enjoy the video so far and give a like so more people can find the video. Thanks very much.